I'm going to practically show you 5 different ways you can make money while you sleep. I just woke up to this 3,000 naira right here, and I know this money might not be huge, but it's something that if you can only pay attention, if you can watch this video till the end, if only you can put into practice what I am about to show you, you will surely start making money on the internet while you sleep. So if all this interests you, kindly please give me a like. The more you like this video, the more YouTube will share and show to more people. And then if you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So the first way you can make money while you sleep, the sweetest one that I have been using over and over again, that I have written books so many years ago, 4-5 years ago, and I'm still making money over those books, is ebook. So through ebook publishing. And I know some people will like, is it everybody that must write a book? If everybody should write a book, who is going to buy that my book? The truth is that when I talk about writing a book, I'm not saying the book that you use 2, 3, 4 years to write. I remember the book I wrote on how to A to Z on POS business. I've sold over 200 copies. I've lost count of the copies that I've sold. Actually, I sell it 1,000 naira. It's right here. I've sold over 200 copies. I lost count of it. What I mean is that little things that the things you know, what you have experienced, there are a lot of people right now, thousands of people going to internet searching for information only you could offer. You can gather this information as a book, write and publish it. You can publish it on Amazon if you want to make money in dollars. You can also publish it on Seller. And again, on this channel, I've made this video right here that I show you 8 steps that I follow to simply write and publish my book in 24 hours or less. And I equally made this video again explaining to you how to publish your book like this one on Seller. Like right here, anyone that click any of my book, the way I do it, the person can pay with their own card and all that. And I sleep to wake up to see something like this one. This one now is my ebook. People, maybe 3 persons buy my book of 1,000 naira, and that is why you are seeing this 3,000 naira. So if that is what interests you, you can just comment ebook in the comment section so that I can equally just give you links to the videos I mentioned so that you can successfully write and publish your book like a pro. But if you want to publish it on Amazon, I have an ebook and online course. I'll also drop it in the description of this video so that you can do that. But before then, even if you cannot afford all that, don't worry. With the information I've given you, if only you pay attention and follow it to the letter, you will be able to write and publish your book on Seller. All right. The second way you can make money online while you sleep is through YouTube. Like as you are watching these videos now, I'm sure you might have seen 1 or 2 adverts. And for you to make money on YouTube, you need to first create your YouTube channel. After you create your YouTube channel, if you get up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a year, you'll be monetized on YouTube. And I've also shared different ways you can actually make money on YouTube even before you become monetized with YouTube. So if you come to my channel right here, you can scroll and come to, if you click on playlist, you see different videos I make on YouTube. Or again, you can just comment YouTube so that I will give you all the videos that I've made on how you can also create your YouTube channel. And as you can see right here, this is what I made for last month, 172 USD. It might look so small, yes, but this money, if I convert it to Nigerian naira, I think it's close to 80,000 naira or something. It's another way you can also make money while you sleep. Okay, so most of the videos that is here right now, I'm sure you can see, like some of the video I made so many years ago. If you check now, some of the videos I made 2-3 years ago that is even making me this money. So if you want to make money while you sleep, the second way is you can start your own YouTube channel. The third way you can make money while you sleep is through affiliate marketing. And I've made a lot of video on this channel about affiliate marketing, but I still see people in my DM asking me to teach them or to train them about affiliate marketing. To me, up until now, I did not see any reason why I should charge you to teach you affiliate marketing, except maybe, I don't know, in the future, because I've told you all that there is to know about affiliate marketing. I've teach you email marketing, I've teach you how to create your own website, landing page, and all that. So any of the things that I'm mentioning here, if you cannot find it, just comment and I'll give you the link in the comment section of the video. So affiliate marketing is simply you signing up with a particular company so that you get a specific link, and by the time you share that link, anybody that use the link to purchase a product or services, you get commission for that. And another place you can actually sign up to be an affiliate is through Seller. As you can see Seller right here, let me go back. This Seller right here, you can come and register as an affiliate. Like all these my books and online courses that I put here, I also put them as affiliate, so that at the end of the day, if you go register as an affiliate and you sign up on Seller, and then they will be given a specific link, you can choose to advertise my own product, the books I've written, or other person's product, and voila, you will be able to make money on Seller. It's as simple as that. And the link to sign up to Seller, I'll drop it in the description of this video. Or meanwhile, if you cannot find it, you can equally ask the link to join Seller, so that you can just become also an affiliate marketer. And the videos I made about affiliate marketing, I'll also link it in the description of this video. The fourth way you can make money while you sleep is creating of online courses. All right, online course is simply videos or PDF file that you gather all your information that will help someone from zero to hero. Like, let's say if you want to kickstart your YouTube channel now, I also have an online course on how to kickstart your YouTube channel. That is for those that want to have somebody that they can reach out to if they have questions and all that. I package the information as an online course, so that anybody that wants that can sign up, and anybody that cannot afford that, I also drop free videos on that. So online, and I've created online course just like this one right here, how to create a free website with free domain name with no coding and all that. I've been selling that online course for just 2,000 naira, and you'll be wondering why this cheap. I decided to use this one so cheap because as I signed up with Seller also, with Seller, without you even having a registered company, you can sell your product or services that people can pay you with card. Okay, with card, like right here you can see just 2,000 naira. If I click buy now, I will be able to put my information and all that. So this is Seller. Okay, I will be able to put all my information and all that on Seller. So if you want to learn how to register and all that, you can just sign up. The link is in the description of my video. You can sign up to Seller to sell your product or services. So right now, this online course that I put up right here, I signed up with Seller. By the time you click buy, Seller will take you to where you will pay, put in your card details or make a bank transfer. And the moment you transfer, I open a Telegram group. So that Telegram group, I give Seller the link, so that anybody that successfully pay, the person will get that link, and the person will click that link to join my Telegram group. And in that Telegram group, I pin all the videos that you need to watch for you to successfully learn how to create your own website with no coding, without paying for domain name. So as people sign up to watch all those videos, I'm sleeping. If I wake up and I receive email from Seller saying that 2 people, 3 people, 4 persons have purchased my product, I make money while I sleep. These are information and products, digital product that I put up there, and I consistently making money. As you sign up for Seller, I'm affiliated to Seller. As I talk about this once, next 5, 10, 20 years, if internet is still non-existent, if there are human beings watching these videos, they will still click to go sign up for Seller, and I make money. That is affiliate marketing. As you watch this video, advert is being placed and I make money. That is from YouTube channel, okay, and all that. And the fifth way you can also make money while you sleep is through membership. So membership is an integrated one. It's not for someone that has not established authority. But if you already establish authority, you have some number of following on the internet, you can open a membership group. Like right now, I am just the kind of person that I believe anything that is worth doing well. That is why I have not launched my membership channel or membership group yet. Membership group can be, I can just create a Facebook group now, and I can decide that before anyone will become a member of that Facebook group, you must pay 2,000 naira monthly, and on that Facebook group I can come every day, every Sunday live, so that I can take your question, I can teach you stuff, some things that I don't share publicly on this channel. So those are different ways you can make money while you sleep. And I wake up to receive alerts on daily basis, and these are the things I do legitimately. These are the things I use my knowledge to do. Please, if you have not liked this video at this point, kindly do so. It means a lot to me. You don't know how many lives you'll be saving by simply sharing this video, by simply liking it. It will help the algorithm. By simply clicking the subscribe button, it will help me a lot. Thank you so much. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. And again, my bonus tip on how you can also make money on the internet, but this one not really while you sleep, is through TikTok. If you are not on TikTok, you are missing out a lot. If you check me right now, I'm not that consistent on YouTube compared to TikTok. Reason is because now I'm growing so fast on TikTok, not really by the number of following and all that, but I am getting more clients consistently on TikTok than on YouTube. So a lot of things are happening on TikTok, and if you don't have idea on how to sign up, how to make videos on TikTok, how to edit videos and all that, I also have detailed videos on this channel. I'll also drop them in the link in the description of this video, or you can ask in the comment section. At the same time, let us connect. So thank you so much for being here. I greatly appreciate you. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.